I could be tripping, but this junk is not reading my tires, bro. Yes, bro.
What's up, y'all? See it to him coming back with another video, bro. If y'all haven't went and watched my previous video, y'all will know why exactly. Dang, I thought it was oil, but y'all know exactly why I'm doing this to my car right now. Y'all see these? They're rear tires, and I literally finally got around to burning my tires off, bro. So if y'all haven't went and seen that last video, go check out my last video. I burned them off before I went to a car meet, and I had a lot of fun, bro. Like really quick. I did line lock a couple times. That was my first time doing that, and actually spinning my car, you know what I'm saying, in sports mode. Actually whole lot doing donuts. That was my first time doing that in this car. I was actually afraid of doing that. I'm afraid of messing my car up, so I was very afraid of doing that in general, but I actually got around to it. Today I'm actually going to get the tires replaced, so I gotta put these two tires in the car, take it to the tire shop, and just have them rotate, or not rotate, but put on the tires and throw those other ones away. I'm gonna flip the camera around and show y'all what the tires on the car look like. They're not that bad, but they need to be replaced. But hold on, let me show you. All right, so here's my rear tires. Let's see, you can see it. I'm definitely gonna show y'all when I get to the tire shop, but they are really ate up, and that's supposed to be a groove. These are the same exact brand. Look how my finger goes inside a groove right here. There's no groove right here, and that's all the way across the tire. So it's like that on both sides. They need to be replaced. I've hydroplaned the car before, and I do not play about my tires being bald, bro. So every time you burn them, replace them tires, bro, because that is very scary. I wrecked the whole Charger doing that, and pretty much $8,000 worth of damage. So I'm gonna head, I might get some breakfast, but I'm gonna head to the tire shop, throw these tires in the car, and I'll catch y'all there. Any car got nose, bro. So I got one in the trunk. They are 22-inch tires, so it's kind of hard to fit both of them in the rear seat. It's early, bro, and I'm tired. But any car got nose, bro. When you put stuff like this in your car, you always get something to cover up that tire, bro, so you don't get anything on the seats, especially when I'm being the suede, you know what I'm saying, seats, and nobody ever sits back here. You gotta keep it brand new for sure. So you cover that up like that. I'm going to put this seat all the way back, lean it back like that, so it won't move on me. And she ready to go. Yes, sir. Let's get to this appointment. Oh, well, close the door. Let's get to this appointment and get these tires put on so I can do this all over again. Like I said, make sure to go back and watch that video, cause you'll be surprised what the kid can do. Looking like 392 kid and hello, it's Jensen out here. But let me make it to the tire shop before I miss my appointment. So I'm sitting at a tire shop. They done pulled the car in. Dude was like, dang, your tires are bad. I'm like, yeah. You know what I'm saying? I did a little burnout, blase. But hearing them talk about your car is the funniest thing in the world, bro. Like, they're like, yo, this is so cool, bro. Who's the owner? And then they'd be like, yo, these are low profile tires. These are gonna be a B word. I'm gonna stop cussing on my channel. But they go, yo, it's gonna be a B word trying to get these things off, bro. I hate low profile tires. Sorry, bro. Just do your job and call it a day. But they literally got me in real fast. I should be out soon. I didn't get a chance to actually show y'all the tires, but they was burnt off. I'm gonna try to grab them before they throw them away so I can see them. But I should be out here in a little bit, in a jiffy. That's looking a lot better.
I could be tripping, but this junk is not reading my tires, bro. Look at this, bro. I just got my tires put on. I don't know why it's not reading, bro. It usually resets, but I don't even know how to reset this junk. The keys never left the car, so maybe it's having problems reading it because it never reset. Oh no, I'm gonna turn it back off and turn it back on. Something ain't right. Something is not right. Something ain't right. Hold on, I'm gonna walk away from the car a good distance and see if that locks and resets that stuff, because I ain't never had this happen before. Alright, so one of them, I guess they just have to reset completely by themselves, because that one was at like 10. My bad, but that one's at like 10, but it jumped up to 40. Alright, cool. That jump was scaring the heck out of me, bro. But it's back to normal. I need to go put air in these front tires. So. Are they supposed to be riding at 40? Now that I do not know. But if it does, then I guess I need to get these up to 40. Maybe that'll change the ride of my car too. I don't know. We'll find out. But to get 2 tires put on, bro, the tires that I brought was $92, I want to say. $92. Pretty expensive, bro. I wish I could do this stuff myself, but obviously I can't. So they got it done. Fixed that. I was about to go in there and snap, bro. Y'all broke my car. But nah, everything back to normal. It's riding good. Yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to the gas station. I'm gonna put air in these front 2 tires, get it up to 40. And take it for a ride to see how it's riding. Alright, the gas station that I was going to, the air pressure or the air thing is broke, so I guess I'm just gonna ride like this, figure out how far, because now it's reading 42 pounds on the right tire back there, 41 pounds on the left tire. That's why I usually don't keep it at 40. So I think what I might do is take some air out of those 2, get around like 38, and let it fluctuate from there, bro, because I feel like 42 pounds, that's a lot of freaking air in the tires, bro. So if y'all like this video, like it up, subscribe, comment, Let me know what type of tires y'all running. If y'all got 22s, let me know what brand of tires y'all running. I'm actually looking for another brand to run on the car. So make sure y'all go back and like and comment on the previous video, the video that made me go and have to purchase some new tires or get new tires put on my car. I'm gonna put in a small little clip of that. And I'll catch y'all in the next video, bro. All right.